I'm here right now in the Vince Sky Hotel Seminyak. So this is our room 206. So I will give you a room tour. This is the closet. This is the food and the beverage section. There's food also in the ref. This is our case. There's a TV, flat screen TV, a mirror, and this is the view of the from our room window. Oops, there's something here. So this is the parking area, and then this is the bedroom. This is the comfort room. This is the sink and the mirror. This is the bath area, and this is the toilet seat. So this is how a room, a deluxe room in Hotel de Vince Sky in the Vince Sky Hotel Seminyak looks like. So I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye.